Have you ever wished you could capture breathtaking aerial shots without carrying around a bulky, complicated drone? Imagine being on a hike, reaching the perfect viewpoint, and effortlessly launching a powerful yet compact drone to capture the moment. That's where the DJI Neo 2 comes in, and it might just change the way we think about drone technology forever. For years, DJI has been at the forefront of innovation, consistently pushing the limits of what drones can do. With each new release, they redefine the standard, making drones more accessible, powerful, and intelligent. Now, with the launch of the DJI Neo 2, they've done it again. But what makes this drone so special? What sets it apart in a crowded market of aerial photography tools? The answer lies in its perfect balance of portability, performance, and cutting-edge features. Let's start with the design. The DJI Neo 2 is astonishingly compact and lightweight, weighing in at just 35 grams. That's lighter than most smartphones, making it one of the most portable drones DJI has ever created. It's small enough to fit in a jacket pocket or a side pouch in your backpack, making it an ideal travel companion for adventurers, vloggers, and creators who are always on the move. Despite its small size, DJI has ensured durability isn't compromised. With a sturdy yet lightweight frame, the Neo 2 can handle moderate wind conditions while maintaining flight stability, a critical feature for capturing smooth, high-quality footage. Its foldable design adds another layer of convenience, allowing users to set up and take off in seconds. Of course, a drone is only as good as its camera, and the DJI Neo 2 delivers in this department. Equipped with an advanced image sensor, it captures stunning 12-megapixel stills with excellent clarity and dynamic range. For video, it records in 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, ensuring smooth, cinematic quality footage. But what really sets it apart is its built-in stabilization technology, which eliminates shaky, jittery movements, producing professional-grade video output every time. And for those who create content for social media, DJI has introduced a game-changing feature, native 1080p vertical video recording. No need for extra editing, just shoot and upload directly to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Performance-wise, the DJI Neo 2 is nothing short of impressive. With a top horizontal speed of 16 meters per second in manual mode, it offers dynamic flight capabilities that make it easy to capture fast-paced action shots. Advanced stabilization algorithms keep the drone steady, even in challenging weather conditions, making it a reliable tool whether you're flying over cityscapes, vast landscapes, or even maneuvering through tight spaces. If you're new to flying drones, don't worry. The Neo 2's intelligent auto-stabilization system makes it incredibly beginner-friendly, reducing the learning curve and ensuring a smooth flying experience. But DJI didn't stop there. They've packed the Neo 2 with a suite of intelligent flight features that make capturing the perfect shot effortless. Autonomous subject tracking allows the drone to lock onto and follow a subject seamlessly, perfect for tracking movement without constantly adjusting controls. Quick shot modes enable users to capture cinematic shots with a single tap, whether it's a dramatic circling motion, a rising helix, or a classic droney. And for those who love hands-free control, gesture-based commands let you take photos or start recording with simple hand signals. Safety is also a priority. While the Neo 2 doesn't have built-in obstacle avoidance sensors, it includes essential safety features like low battery alerts and an automatic return-to-home function, ensuring that your drone makes it back safely if it loses signal or runs out of power. Battery life is another highlight. The DJI Neo 2 offers up to 18 minutes of flight time on a single charge, impressive for a drone of its size. And with fast USB-C charging, you can quickly top up your battery between flights, making it easier to stay in the air and keep capturing stunning visuals. Now let's talk about value. One of the most surprising aspects of the Neo 2 is its price. The base model starts at just $199, making it one of the most affordable drones in its category. For those who want a little extra, the Fly More combo, priced at $349, includes additional batteries, extra propellers, and a carrying case for extended flying time and convenience. Given its features, performance, and compact design, the Neo 2 offers an incredible balance of affordability and functionality, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts alike. Ultimately, the DJI Neo 2 is more than just a compact drone. It's a gateway into the future of aerial photography and videography. Whether you're a traveler looking to document your adventures, a content creator searching for the perfect tool to elevate your videos, or simply someone who wants to explore the world from a new perspective, the Neo 2 delivers on all fronts. DJI has once again raised the bar, making high-quality drone technology more accessible than ever. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,